Hello everyone, myself Advocate Anish Kumar Singh, and in this video we are discuss GST return filing for input services distributors. GST return filing for input service distribution, payroll and GST return filing are two common aspects of any businesses. When it comes to input services distributors, payroll management has a significant impact on GST return filing. In, in this video, we will discuss how payroll affects GST return filing for ISD and why it is essential to maintain accurate payroll record to avoid discrepancies in GST return filing. What is the impact of payroll on GST return filing for input service distributors? There are a lot of impacts of payroll on GST return filing or input services distributors. Some of the major impacts are calculation of input tax credit. Input services distributors are entitled to claim input tax credit on the GST paid on services received the distributed or to the other branches of the same company. Second one, compliance with GST regulations. Payroll management is an essential aspect of compliance with GST regulations. As per the GST Act, ISD are required to maintain proper record of the input services received and distributed. Payroll data plays a crucial role in determining the GST liability of ISD. Timely filing of GST return. ISD are required to file GST returns on a monthly basis. Accurate payroll data is necessary to calculate the GST liability correctly and file returns within the due date. Avoidance of input tax credit rejections. Input services distributors can claim ITC on GST paid on input services received and distributed. However, any discrepancy in payroll data can lead to be rejected of ITC claim by the GST authorities. It is essential to maintain accurate payroll record to avoid any rejection of ITC claim. Preparation for GST audits. GST audits are conducted by the GST authority to ensure compliance with GST regulations. During the audit process, the GST authorized may ask for payroll records to verify the accuracy of return filing. Record keeping requirement. ISD are required to maintain proper record of the input services received and distributed, including payroll records. The records should be maintained for at least 6 years as per the GST Act. Payroll software. ISD can use payroll software to manage their payroll and maintain accurate record. Reconciliation of payroll data. ISD must reconcile their payroll data with the financial statement to ensure accuracy. Penalties and interest. Incorrect or delayed GST return filing can attract penalties, and interest penalties can range from a flat amount to be percentage of the tax due, and interest is charged on the unpaid tax amount. Impact on cash flow. Any issue with GST return filing can impact the cash flow of the businesses. Delayed or incorrect return filing can result in delayed refunds. These are the impact of payroll on GST return filing for input services distributors. In this video, thank you very much.